Okay, YouTube, haven't made a bike check yet, so I decided to make one today. Tweaked my back a little bit yesterday, so I'm probably not going to get on this today. Got a stolen revolver front rim, stock hub, came with a stolen center, a tapered stolen fork, Overlord 2.2 tire. Here we got stolen tall boy bars, 8.65 rise, ODI grips. They're the best. Gross bar ends, marble, they're rubber. Got Tektro brakes, they're just stock shit. Stolen headset. The stem I had laying around because the stolen top load stem is shit. Here we got stolen thermalate pedals, a stolen mob 3-piece crank, stolen class ring 25 tooth sprocket. Here we got poverty sofa seat, pretty beat up. Poverty seat post. Got Odyssey Aerospacer rim with a Animal Tom white wall tire, 2.2. It's all laced to a kink insight hub with a 9-tooth driver, kink spokes and nipples, demolition rear peg, the plastic sleeve, black on black. Rear hub guard is Primo. Front hub guard is plastic junk. Same with the peg. Yeah. That's my ride. It's my pit bull. She's just passing out. Yeah. Hanging out. Yeah.